Hi everyone, my name is Nathalie Rhone and I'm a registered dietitian in New York City. I'm going to try the new H101 Hurom juicer today. I've used Hurom before and I absolutely love it. The juicers are small, they're easy to clean, and they really make the most nutritious, delicious juices. But I've never tried this one out, which has new juicing technology, so I'm really excited to give it a go. So the strainer looks totally different than the juicers I've tried before. There's no holes in it. So I'm wondering if that's gonna make the cleaning a lot easier. We'll see. So I can already see there are less parts here in the juicer. Can't wait to try it out. Recently, I've been loving including celery in my juices at home. It's super hydrating and helps to balance the body's pH and calm inflammation. So let's try juicing some celery here with lemon, apple, and dandelion. I love how quiet this juicer is. And it's so easy to use. And check out this pulp. It's so bone dry. That's what really you want to see in pulp. That means all the nutrients are actually in your juice and not left to the side of your juicer. This juice smells so good. I can't wait to try it. I drink a giant green juice every morning. It's part of my daily routine. I think of it as kind of like a super shot of nutrients right into my cells. Check out the color of this juice. So nice and green, yum. So fresh. And I love how thick it is. That's how you know all the nutrients are actually in the juice. But if you want to make a smoothie instead to keep all the fiber in, you can just use a smoothie strainer. But really, this tastes so delicious. All right. Let's try cleaning this baby. This is a serious upgrade in cleaning experience. You don't even need to use a brush. It's so easy. That took like 1 minute. So what's the verdict? The H101 Hurom juicer made the perfect juice and it was super easy to clean. I'm psyched to use it at home for my daily juices, and I'm also excited to try it for things like homemade nut milks and soups. You guys should check it out too.